Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki, and we are outside my house, and we are right beside my air conditioning unit. And the reason for that is early this summer, I found a wet spot in the garage, which led me to here.
What we discovered was the AC condensation drain pipe on the outside of the house was dripping right into the foundation. There was really no hope for this. So today we're going to show you how we readjusted that so it goes into the earth and not into the house.
Away from the foundation of the house.
Exactly.
And my garage.
Perfect, yeah. So let's get started. We started by moving all our scrap wood and pulling up the vinyl floor to air out the concrete. This is actually a good opportunity to go through all of our wood and get rid of some stuff that we weren't going to use. Around the AC unit, leaves had started to build up and interfere with the wood surround, and they hold moisture, and that also is what led to the damage on the house foundation. So we dug this out, making sure to get out all the wet areas. The remaining dirt was tampered down. We headed to Home Depot and got extra 3/4 inch pipe and elbows to add to the drain line. We used PVC cutters to get different lengths of pipe. I started adding pieces to get the water away from the house as best I could. To reroute the end pipe, I placed a gutter downspout splash block at the end to make sure the water went into the ground but not near the house. We added the edging back and placed landscaping fabric down to help limit weed growth. I noticed one connection seemed to leak a little bit, so I added some self-using silicone tape to seal the connection, but not permanently. I didn't want to use any glue on these connectors in case we ever need to take this apart or change the configuration. We covered the area with pea and pond pebbles. We didn't want to add any more organic material to this area, but wanted to make sure that water could flow freely. And here it is, all done. It's been about 2 months since we added this, and the new pipe works perfectly at moving the excess condensation away from the house. If you like this video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com.